what made you want to get into fitness in general?
All right, so I guess just starting life as a young lady, I had a period where I wasn't working, I had gained some weight, and I just, you know, at some point your body lets you know, because even though I wasn't like 50 pounds overweight, but I just wasn't really like comfortable like in my body. I just felt like I needed to do something in regards to my health. So I was just beginning to look for just different fitness classes to attend. So I started going to the gym, and I found that I enjoyed the group fitness classes. So I just started to try different group fitness classes, and I enjoyed Zumba in particular. So I just kind of started doing that, and just kind of continued doing that. And I thought, oh, well, I mean, I think I enjoy doing this. I think I can create a program out of that. So I started teaching just dance fitness. And the more I taught that, the more I saw even the need outside of fitness for, you know, the nutrition part, because people that are looking to lose weight, it's about like it's about 80% nutrition. Okay. So if you take care of 80% of your nutrition, you will be like healthy and you'll be able to get that weight off. And the remaining 20% is just your wellness and your sleep and drinking water. Drinking water is so important. Okay. So I just started doing that, and once I started, like, once I became that fitness instructor and people would attend my class, it was more like, okay, you kind of need to, you know, keep yourself in shape, because if you keep gaining 5 pounds and losing it, 10 pounds and losing it, people are like, okay, I don't want to come to your class. So I guess finding myself in that kind of situation kind of gave me that accountability that, you know, the people that are looking up to me now to live healthy and to be fit. So that's kind of like how I got into just, you know, this fitness lifestyle and just being, you know, health and fitness coach. Yeah.
That's a great story, and it makes us feel like anyone can do it.
Yeah.
Anyone who's motivated to get into fitness can start.
Yes.
As you recognize,
absolutely.
Hey, I want to make a change.
Yes.
I want to do something different.
Yes, yes, most definitely.
Really, really great response.